Welcome back to Cello Lessons by Pineda-Huezo. Today's lessons is about bow drills designed for sound development. I've been doing these exercises since I was 11 or 12 years old, and I haven't stopped since. I have passed also these exercises to my students. Placement with circular replacement, down bow. It's important that we place the bow down on this string, relax the bow onto the string, let the weight of the arm get to the bow, and then pull, and then make a full circle over the head like you are seeing here. I also usually start with the middle strings, and then I go either the upper or the lower string. But I usually start with the middle strings. This is the opposite motion as the previous exercise. So it's placement going in the up bow direction, still making the circular motion, again starting from the middle strings and then working your way to either the upper string or the lower string. It is important to pay attention not to slam the head of the bow onto the string, but rather place it. This is a combination of the previous two, starting up bow and then going down bow, but finishing each stroke with a lift and making sure that every time you come back to the string, you are placing the bow, not throwing the bow, but placing the bow onto the string and then pulling, and make sure that you remember how it felt to relax your weight onto the bow, whether you're doing up bow or down bow. You can do this for a few minutes to develop the sound. Down and up bow placement without lifting. At this point, we just don't lift the bow at the end of each stroke. What we do is just stop the bow and then restart it, making sure that we obtain a good bite and also apply that relaxed weight onto the bow in each stroke. Continue doing this for quite some time. All of these exercises are designed to give you clarity of attack and being able to sustain the sound continuously and evenly. Repeat this daily. It's most important to be able to develop a full sound and clarity of stroke. I'll see you next time.